Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate. And even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Data type, data types, and size, its size. So here also many student give me the correct incorrect answer. Why? Because in many book it is not written correctly. Okay, so there are there are only few basic data type in C. There are only a few. There are only a few basic data types in C. In C you are having only a few data types like char. Char is a character, a single byte. So its size is a single byte, capable of holding capable of holding capable of holding one character. It is capable of holding one character in the local. So one character in the local character set. In the local character set. So a single byte. So its size is a single byte, capable of holding one character in the local character set. One character. Okay, like I will explain with the example. I will also give, like you are writing char CA. So in single quote you have to give it in single quote. So then it is going to have it is a character. So C is a character variable of 1 byte and it is having A in it. Okay, it is having A in it. Now next is your int. Next is your int. It is an integer type, an integer. So typically reflecting the natural size of an integer. So its size is machine dependent. Its size. If anyone asking you that whether it is a 2 byte or 4 byte, it's machine dependent. Okay. So typically typically reflecting the natural size. Typically reflecting the natural size natural size of integers on the host computer, means on the computer. Just like in my system, host computer means who is hosting. I am hosting that. So in my system, what is the size of the integer? It may be 2 byte. In other system it may be 4 byte. Okay, so on the host machine. The host machine. So an integer typically reflecting the natural size of an integer on the host machine. So like, so that's why whenever you writing any program, whenever you are writing a program, you should write a program which is machine independent. So whenever you require a size of the, what is the size of that, you use size of operator, size of int. So it will return the size of the int. Okay, what is the size of integer? It will return. So size of operator also we will see later. We will see. Okay, I will. So it is a operator. One thing also, in your campus placement they ask. This is a common question they ask, that size of whether it is a function or it is a operator. It is a operator. Okay, it is a operator. It's a unary operator. I will teach you all this thing. So whenever you require that in your system, what is the size of your int? So you can print a percentage u and you can use size of int. Okay, you can use size of int. Size of int. Okay. Now you are having float. So basic you are having four only. Char, int, float, and double. So this float is your single precision floating point. Single precision. floating point, floating point, and double is your and double is your double precision. Okay, double precision floating point is going to your double precision floating. Okay. Now, so you will say, sir, I have used in in my college or in many part of the system. You have seen that long you have seen, double you have seen, sorry, long, short you have seen. Now, what are they? So they are qualifiers. They are qualifiers. Now, what is qualifier? See, basic you are having a four: int, char, which is of size 1 byte, int, you don't know the size, float, machine dependent, double, machine dependent. Okay. So now you are having C type in C programming language. You are having a qualifiers, that you see the qualifiers as like short, long, or they are qualifiers. The keywords, the keywords which are used to, the keywords which are used to modify, the property, which are used to modify the properties of a variable, of a variable are called type qualifier, or called type qualifier. Okay, called type qualifier. So the keywords which are used to modify the properties of a variable are called type qualifier. Example: short, long. Okay, short, long, like this. So short and long apply to integer. You can apply it to integers. So short and long apply to integers. It applies to integers. Okay. So like you are having short int sh, you can do short int sh. Then you can write even long int counter, any variable. So like this. And even you can omit the int. So this is even equal to short sh. Both are equal. Long counter. Okay, both are equal. So you can apply this. So you can use short int sh, long int counter, like this. Okay. So you can write the word int can be omitted. The word int can be omitted in such declaration. So you can omit. So the intent, how it modifies by default, it for how it modifies. See, I will tell you. This is short is going to reduce the size of the int, and long is going to increase the size of the int. I will tell you now only. So the intent is that, the intent is that short and long, short and long should provide different different length different lengths of different length of integers where practical. So it will provide different length. Int will normally be natural size of the machine. Short is often you have seen int will naturally be the size of the machine, depends upon that. And short is often, so you write here, short is often 16 bit. It is often 16 bit. I am not saying that always. It is often 16 bit, means 2 byte, and long is 4 byte. So often it is 4 byte. And int either 2 byte or 4 byte. And int either 16 or 32 bits. So if you can apply int and long to the integer variables. So if your int is either 16 or 32, sort is going to be often as 16. It's saying often, not always. And so and long is going to be 32. By default, there is no value. It's machine dependent totally. Only something is there. Only something is there. I will I will write. Each compiler is choose. Each compiler is free to choose the size. Each compiler. So that's why I've told you, whenever you want to use the size of any data type, use the size of operator. Size of operator. Each compiler is free to choose appropriate size for its own hardware. Each compiler. These things are very important in your campus. These are the common questions they ask in your campus placement. These are the common questions they ask. Each compiler is free to choose. Each compiler is free to choose appropriate size appropriate size for its own hardware. For its own hardware, it is going to choose. Subject only to the restriction. Only restriction is that this is the only restriction. Subject only to the restriction to the restriction the restriction that sorts and ints are at least 16 bit. It is going to be at least 16 bit. Long are at least 32 bit. This is the restriction. So each compiler is free to choose appropriate sizes for its own hardware. Subject to only restriction is that the restriction that C standard provide to the compiler that sorts and ints are at least 16 bit. At least it should be 2 byte. So it can be greater also. Long are at least 32 byte. Long should be at least 32 byte. And and sort is sort is no longer sort is no longer than int. Sort is not going to longer than int, and int is no longer no longer than long. So int should not be longer than long, and sort should not be longer than int. This is the main that standard C standard that is done by Dennis Ritchie. So Dennis Ritchie has given a restriction that each compiler is free to choose the appropriate size of any type, okay, upon its own hardware. But the only restriction is that sort and ints are at least 60 bit, long are at least 32 bit, and sort is no longer than int, and int is no longer than long. Okay, this condition will not get violated. Okay, fine. Now we are having qualifier that is signed and unsigned also. So now the qualifiers. Now next qualifier is our signed and unsigned. We have seen long and short. Now we will see signed and unsigned. So the qualifiers signed or unsigned, signed or unsigned may be may be applied to, char or any integer. So you can apply this signed and unsigned on char or any integer. Unsigned number are always. Now what is unsigned number? Unsigned number. Unsigned number are always positive or zero, or always going to your, or always positive, or zero. It is always going to be positive or zero. And obey the and away the and away the and away the law of arithmetic and away the law of arithmetic modulo. Okay, so it will obey the law of arithmetic modulo. So that is not required. Okay, so you just write this, the law of arithmetic. Let it be like this. So that is not required. That is going to be again in too much depth. So now I will take an example. So char, if you are writing, char c is going to your 1 byte. So 1 byte it is going. If it is going as signed, if it is going because it can be signed or unsigned. If it is signed char, then it can have some value. See, 1 byte is going to have 8 bits. 8 bits. So how to find its range? You write 2 to the power 7 minus 2 to the power 7 to 2 to the power 7 minus means if it is 1 byte, if it is having n bits, so if any is having n bits, so range will be minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. This is the range. It is very important. Whatever, if they will give you like integer is having a 2 byte. Okay, so how you will find the range means if I am saying that let integer integer is 2 byte. Okay, I'm assuming that because many of you have studied that integer is 2 byte, but it is not like that. Okay, that you have seen that. So if it is a 2 byte, then it is going to your 2 byte is going to your अनसाइंड. हम क्या बोल रहे हैं ना, अनसाइंड नंबर क्या होता है? अनसाइंड नंबर हमेशा जीरो होगा या फिर पॉजिटिव नंबर होगा. अनसाइंड देखिए वर्ड से ही समझिए, अनसाइंड मतलब उसमें कोई साइन नहीं होगा. ठीक है, या फिर पॉजिटिव होगा या फिर जीरो होगा. साइंड में क्या रहता है, उसमें जीरो रहे मतलब नेगेटिव रहेगा. साइन साइन हो गया प्लस माइनस दोनों रहेगा. अनसाइंड में क्या रहेगा, सिर्फ जीरो और पॉजिटिव. इज इट क्लियर? सो अनसाइंड इज गोइंग टू हैव only zero or positive. Signed is going to have both number, negative as well as positive. So when I am talking about sign, so sign it will have both negative as well as positive value. So like if I'll say that integer is of 2 byte and I am talking about sign, then it is going to have the 2 into 8, that is 16 bit it is having, because 1 byte is going to have 1 byte is going to have 8 bit. So its range is going to your, you know that 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 2 to the power n. See, this you should remember. Don't forget this. Minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. So range of this is going to your 2 to the power n, here n is 16, minus 2 to the power 16 minus 1 is your 15. So you write like 16 minus 1 to 16 minus 1, like this it range will be. So it is like minus 3276823277. See, I don't know the exact value what you are going to get. So I think so that this may be the range. If the int is 2 byte, this may be the range of the number you can have. This may be the range of the number you can have. Okay, now see, if you are having this, now here I am saying that char is 1 byte, then you are going to have this. Now in case of char, if I'll say char is going to have 1 byte for sign. So it is going to be now see, so it is going to be have minus 2 to the power 7 to 2 to the power 7 minus 1. So it is going to be minus 1 to 8 to 1 to 7. Now if it is unsigned, now if it is unsigned, then it is going to be 0 to 2 to the 2 255 255. Okay, 255. Understood? So you add these two, 1 to 8 and 1 to 7, you will get what? 8, you add this two. 8, 7 is your 15, in hand 1. So 4, 5, then 2, 255. 0 to 255. So total you will have 260, 256. Total number you will have 256, 0 to 250. So this is in the work of unsigned. N is here, N is number of bits. Here N is number of bits. Is it clear? Now, now this you have seen. Now very important. Now very important. So whether plain plain char chars are signed or unsigned, whether it is a signed or unsigned, is machine dependent. It's very important. Machine dependent. If I am giving any char, if you are declaring any char, if some char they have given, it is a whether it is going to be signed or unsigned, it is machine dependent. It is machine dependent, but printable, whatever character that you are printing, if you will ask its value, it is always going to be positive. But character, printable characters are always positive. Are always positive. Okay. So you can assume that char is a integer type only. Means you can assume that char is a small integer. Okay, char is a small integer which can have the value, like if you can write char c is equal to 100, then it's fine. It is going to have 100. It can have, because its range is having 1 byte. It is having 1 byte, so it can hold the values 100 also. It can hold it. Now if you'll print it, if you'll print as percentage d, that to print as an integer, then it will print as 100 only. But if you print this, but if you print this but you will print this as a percentage c, as a character. If you want to print, then it will give the character of 100. Means this they will assume as the ASCII. What is the of 100? Means just like you know that ASCII is 96, so 100 it going to be A B C D, so it will be 100. So D will get printed, okay. So then they will convert into its character value. Okay, so whenever it comes in your mind that is a character, so you don't think that character is only going to hold a character. It is a small integer. You guys think that character is a small integer. The range I have told you. Okay, the range also I have told you. Understood? So it will print its character value. And it is very important, printable characters are always positive. So whatever characters that you are printing, okay, its ASCII value is positive. Printable characters ASCII values are always positive. Okay. Now, like this, we are having one question. So if I'll assume, let me give that you have seen the data type. So you assume that int is having 2 byte. Int is having a 2 byte. Okay. Now it is a very important and very good question. It can be asked in your gate. In placement also it can be asked. It's very important. So the question is the expression a equal to 30 into 100, 1000 plus 270 evaluates to, and a is an integer. Okay, a is integer of 2 byte. Okay, I am saying in gate exam they will say that it's an integer of 2 byte. Now option A is saying 32768, B is minus 32768, and C is 113040, and D is 0. Okay. See, whenever I am not saying anything that this int, whether it is a signed or unsigned, then you have to assume it as a signed. A is an integer of 2 byte. Its value, its range is going to be from integer range. If it is a 2 byte, I have told you now only its range is from -327682 to 32767. 32, sorry, 767. Its range is 32767. Range is, so if it is 2 byte, I have here also 32768 3, yeah, here also, here I have given correct 32768. You know the range. देखिए, its range is having like this. If I'll say that any, like if I'm saying that char is having a range of -1282 to 127 127, so it means it's 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, like this. It is having here, it is having -127, then here it is having -126, like this. No, sorry, -1 it will be, -1, it will be -1. Okay, here it will be -1. So how the range, you, this is very very important. It's very very, if char, this is for char, how the range will be. It's 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, like this. It will go till 127. Okay, here -1, -2, -3, like this. It will go till -128, then it will be 127. This is the range in which it is rotating. Means 0 is there, then 1, then 2, then 3, like this. It will keep on going till 127, positive till. Then it will have the negative one, -128, then -127, like this. It will keep on going. Here it will have 1, here it will have 2, like this. It will keep on. It is -1, it is -2. It is like a circle. It is the range. Now if I'll ask you, if I'll say that C is having, character C is having 128, but in this range character is not having 120, then which value it will have? 27. Then after that it will go to this. So if we'll print this C, it will give you -128. It will give you minus. You can check in your system. You can check in your system, because it will go here 128, 127. After that 128 is not there. You are going 128. It will go to here. If I'll give you 9, sorry, 9, it will go to here. So then it will be -127. It will rotate. So similarly here, if its value is A is going to your 32768. 32768. Okay. So there is no positive 32768. There is no positive 32768. It's till 32767. It's there. So it will again rotate here. It will again rotate here. So it will take this one. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. See, please. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? यहाँ पे ये घूम जाएगा. घूम के कैसे हो? 32767 से घूमा और यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. देखिए आप इससे इससे समझिए. अगर कैर का साइज अगर 128 से 127 है, तो 0 से शुरू हुआ, 1 हुआ, 2 हुआ, 3 हुआ, -127 तक गया. सॉरी, प्लस ये प्लस 127 तक गया. उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट वैल्यू आएगा वो -128 आएगा. फिर नेक्स्ट वैल्यू आएगा जो -127 आएगा. ऐसे ही जाते जाते वो माइनस तक जाएगा. या फिर इधर से जाइए या इधर से जाइए. तो देखिए, जब अगर मैं यहाँ पे कोई वैल्यू दे रहा हूँ सी, अगर मैं 128 दूंगा, 128 तो यहाँ है नहीं, प्लस में तो नेगेटिव है. इसके बाद का वैल्यू लेगा, उसके बाद रोटेट करेगा. 127 तो यहाँ गया, फिर उसके बाद वाला हो गया, तो ये हो गया 120. जब प्रिंट करेंगे तो -128 देगा. ठीक है, इसलिए इसका रेंज जानना जरूरी है. ये सब क्वेश्चंस आपके प्लेसमेंट, कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में आते हैं. ठीक है, कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कैंपस प्लेसमेंट, कैंपस प्लेसमेंट गेट में भी पूछ सकते हैं. ऑल्सो इन गेट. ओके, गेट में भी पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में बहुत. तो आपने यहाँ पे देख लिए, कैर का ये सब देख लिए, कैसे रोटेट हो रहा है, डेटा टाइप आपने देख लिया, साइज देख लिए. अब हम लोग आते हैं लॉन्ग पे. सो आपने तो इसका देख लिए, टाइप लॉन्ग, डबल, स्पेसिफाई. अब जैसे आप यू कैन इवन specify long to the double. Okay, so the type long the type long double specifies specifies extended extended precision floating. It specify extended precision floating. ठीक है, तो ये जो टाइप है लॉन्ग डबल वो स्पेसिफाई क्या करता है, एक्सटेंडेड प्रिसिशन फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट, एक्सटेंडेड प्रिसिशन. ओके, सो द साइज ऑफ फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट आर आल्सो इन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन डिफाइंड. ठीक है, वो भी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन डिफाइंड होगा. द साइज इसका भी आप इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पे ही छोड़ दीजिए. द साइज ऑफ फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट द साइज ऑफ फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट the size of floating point objects are implementation कैसा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है उस सिस्टम में, उसके ऊपर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन.